So hello Priceless people, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. Hold on, let me turn the light on. There we go. In today's video, I'm painting my bathroom. So let's get it. Let's go. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I'm so glad that you stopped by for today's video. And if you're new, please take this opportunity to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload on the Priceless Pearl Life. Because on my channel, my Priceless family knows I love home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and so much more. So come on and become part of the family. Do it right now. So I'm starting off with a very light dusting of my surfaces because we don't need dirt and paint mixing together. Well, it really is much cheaper to buy the painting kit instead of buying all of these things individually. I'm just saying, trying to help the family save some coins. I'm using Bare paint and primer. And yes, I know what you're saying. You're painting your bathroom white. Your bathroom is already white. But trust me, this Bare paint is ultra white. And speaking of paints, have you all seen the paint prices? Trust me, this paint will be on this wall for a long time. Now you can definitely see the difference between my former paint and what I'm putting on the wall right now. Last step, let's paint the ceiling. So thanks so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch for a little painting with me. And make sure to join me tomorrow at 6:00 p.m. when I decorate my bathroom. I'll see you then, 6 o'clock on tomorrow.